Now we would be starting our discussion regarding triangles. Triangle is formed whenever we connect or join 3 points. If I connect these 3 points, we would get a triangle. In a triangle, there are 6 components. Uh, 3 of them are sides AB, BC, and CA. And we have 3 angles in a triangle: angle A, angle B, and angle C in this case. Sides are named using 2 points, starting and ending point. So side AB means that the side is starting at A and ending at B. Angle is named over a single vertex, the angle formed at angle A. And we normally consider it as the interior angle. Classification of triangles. There are 6 types of triangles. If we classify the triangles according to the sides, then a triangle with 3 equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. Additionally, in any equilateral triangle, angles are also same. So when we have 3 equal angles in a triangle, they are always equal to say 60 degrees, and their sum is 180 degrees. Then the second type is isosceles triangle, which is when a triangle has at least 2 equal sides. And additionally, uh, the angles opposite to the equal sides, they are also equal to each other. So if this angle is x, this is also going to be x. And this concept is written using an abbreviation, that base angles of isosceles triangle, which shows that uh, the angles must be equal because there are opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. And the abbreviation for equal angles of an equilateral triangle is angles of equilateral triangle. Then there is a third type, which is scalene triangle. And in a scalene triangle, there are no equal sides. All the sides are unequal and all the angles are also unequal. Now, the next type is according to the angle. If a triangle has all the angles less than 90 degree, which means that a triangle is made with 3 acute angles, then the triangle is called acute angle triangle. If one of the angle is right angle, then the triangle is called right angle triangle. Right angle is over here. And if one of the angle is obtuse, means that it is greater than 90 and less than 180, then this triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. So this was about the types of the triangle. The next thing is that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. And we will study um, a formula for finding out the sum of interior angles in any polygon. Now, the abbreviation for this is that um, angle sum of triangle, which means that we are referring to the sum of angles of a triangle. So it should be equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, another important relation of the angles of triangle is that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So for example, if we have a triangle over here, all the angles which are formed over here are interior angles because they are made inside the triangle. Now we can make exterior angles, for example, at point A, B, and C in 2 ways. One of the way of drawing an exterior angle at A could be that we might extend AB in the same direction. So if we extend AB, then a new angle is formed over here. And let me call this point as point D. So the angle formed as CAD, it is an exterior angle of the triangle. because it is not drawn within the triangle, it is drawn outside the triangle. So another way of drawing an exterior angle could be at A, that we might extend AC. And there could be a point over here, which is D. So now the angle formed over here, which is angle BAD, it is also an exterior angle of this triangle. So at any point, the exterior angle could be drawn using the same two ways. That you could extend one of the arms of the triangle of the angle, and you could form an exterior angle of the triangle. Now, this angle, which is the exterior angle, it is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Basically, the angle CAD would be equal to the angle B and angle C of the triangle, which are the interior angles. So opposite interior angle sum would be equal to the exterior angle formed at the other point. Similarly, for this triangle, this is the exterior angle being formed at A. It would be equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So this angle is opposite to A, and this angle is also opposite to A. Adding these two would give the exterior angle. So I'm writing BAT would be equal to angle C plus angle B. This is the second most important thing to remember about triangle. The first one was the angle sum of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. And the second one is that an exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Now, the abbreviation which is used for this law or this concept is that we write exterior angle of triangle. It refers to the same concept, that one exterior angle is being found out by adding the two interior opposite angles. For example, in this case, we need to find out the value of B and the value of C. Now, if we consider this C, this is an exterior angle of the triangle ABD, and the two interior opposite angles are 93 and 41. So I could write that angle C should be equal to 41 degrees plus 93 degrees. And the argument is, it is the exterior angle of triangle. So the value of C would come out to be 134 degrees. Similarly, we need to find out the value of B in this example. So the first thing is, this angle is again going to be equal to 93 degrees because it is the vertically opposite angle. So I'm writing vertically opposite angle. Now, the sum of the triangle in triangle DEF, all the three angles are added, interior angles, then the sum is going to be equal to 180 degree. So B would be equal to 180 degree minus 93 minus 33. So the answer would be 54 degrees over here. So this is how we could use the concept and find out and solve different triangles and their angles using this concept.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.